that's so good. Just warface them, bro. It's the equivalent of slide killing all the fucking about. Bro, you can't be doing this.
Oh, triple kill.
There's a helo in there. Come on.
Guy dropping on top of us. Got him.
When you reload, you have the... Oh, dude, nice.
One tapped. Oh, what? Oh, dude, I just... Nice, buddy. Just stay up.
You get me, right?
Okay, double kill.
Another one. Another one.
I'm reloading! Nice. Get up! We need you! Hold on!
Bro, I'm killing these kids right now.
Situation. Task force is running smoothly, sir. They're holding objectives.
Let's go.
Hostiles have captured Conquest Pacific. We now control most of the land. Let's try this! We're weakening them. US forces are being depleted. Hostiles control Foxtrot sector.
I just fucking warfaced that guy, dude, so hard. No, he's still up. Oh! Max in this stuff, dude.
Yeah.
Sector Charlie.
Double headshot. It's just chilling off the roof right now. He's dead. Easy. Bro.
So.
Spots.
That's it.
People's dead bodies.
We have taken Delta sector.
Got a perf headshot.
It was cool for like a couple of days, and then these bugs in the beta are just pissing me off. Hopefully they'll fix the bugs, but we'll see.
You don't like bugs? What are you, fucking scared? What are you, fucking bugophobic?
No.
What are you, fucking insectophobic? Insectophobic.
But it's just like, fix your bugs, bro.
What's so wrong with bugs, bro? What's wrong with bugs, bro?
Bro.
You don't like the occasional beetle?
These bugs are not in their ecosystem. They're in the wrong jungle.
They're in the wrong domain. My kitchen is hell and I am birthed in it. Get out.
What is that? What the fuck is that, dude? What is this bullshit? What a great game! Wow! How do I spawn in? I wonder. Yes, let's press console. Oh my god.
What the fuck is that?
It literally, dude, they sold a broken fucking game. They're like, yeah, beta. Here's $60 and we're gonna show you what we're made of. This is beta right here, ladies and gentlemen. This is what work in progress. You had COVID 2 fucking years. You delayed the game 3 times.
I'm so sad that I just went. I'm so sad I went